When Maria roared on shore, Puerto Rico's southeast corner endured the first impact.
This is the town, yeah.
In the coastal town of Maunabo, Norma Rosada lost the roof off her home and her small business blew away entirely.
Many of us, we don't have a lot of money. That'll take us a long time to recover from the things that we lost.
Now the hunt is on here for the basics. This woman snagging water from the side of a mountain. Everything is destroyed, she says. With mangled power lines everywhere and eye-popping lines at gas stations, people here feel paralyzed and disconnected. Satellite images show the island before Maria hit and after, now almost totally in the dark. No cell service either.
Tengo mi familia en Indianapolis.
And this woman hadn't been able to reach her family in Indianapolis. When offered a satellite phone, she tells them she's all right, but her 95-year-old grandfather passed away during the storm. Today, San Juan's airport packed as travelers rush to escape on the few commercial flights. The U.S. military delivering humanitarian aid, launching relief missions from the USS Kearsarge by air and sea.
The Marines are here, Marines are landing.
Rushing to help clear roads.
This will not happen overnight. This is going to be a marathon.
In northwest Puerto Rico, engineers are inspecting a major dam after finding a crack. Thankfully, so far, it's holding.
Well, it is sad to see the
outside San Juan, Pastor Otoniel Font runs this massive church that his father built and Maria ripped apart.
And see it just destroyed in just a few hours is really, sad. But we are a church of hope, so we are going to rebuild.
Rebuilding will take time for an island in crisis and in need. Gabe Gutierrez, NBC News, Maunabo, Puerto Rico.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.